Hello friends, myself Dinesh Mukherjee. So today's video topic, city versus village. Cities are village represent two distinct facts. Human settlement, each with the own set of characteristics, advantages and challenges. The choice between living the city or village often depends on individual performance, lifestyle and properties. In this easy to will explore the contrasting features of cities and villages, examine accepts such as infrastructure, community life, lifestyle, economic opportunity, and quality of life. Cities are bustling of huge activity of commerce, are characterized by their dense populations, extensive infrastructure, extensive infrastructure, and diverse economic opportunities. The urban landscape is marked by towering skyscrapers, intricate road networks, and advanced public transport systems. Cities serve of center innovation, education, and culture, attracting from various backgrounds and fostering a dynamic environment. One of the primary advantages of city life in the abundance of economic opportunities. Cities are home of multi of industries, business, and job markets, offering a diverse range of career options. The concentration of a business and institutions in cities often leads of higher wages and better prospects of professional growth. Additionally, cities serve a melting pot of culture and ideas, fostering creativity and innovation. Make, however, the fast pace of city life come with the own set of challenges. The high cost of living, congested traffic, and the constant hustle and bustle can lead to stress and the sense of isolation. Despite the large population, cities dwellers may find the challenging to establish connections with their neighbors due to the transient nature of urban life. If consist in constant villages, optimize a more screen and close knit way of living. Villages are often characterized by small populations, quiet landscape, and slower pace of life. The scene of community and hallmark of a village life, where residents of often known each often personally, fostering strong social bonds. And the natural surrounding of a village contribute to the peaceful and in the idyllic atmosphere, providing stark concept of the constant jungles of cities. One of the advantages of village life is the lower cost of living, housing, food, and their essential commodities are affordable in villages, allowing residents to lead comfortable life without the financial pressures commonly associated with the living. The abundance of open spaces have a connection with nature contribute to the healthier lifestyle villages, providing physical and mental well-being. However, the limited economic opportunities in villages can be significant drawback. The back of the industries and job markets often forces residents to seek employment the nearby town of cities, leading to commuting challenges. Additionally, the absence of advance of infrastructure such as modern healthcare and educational institutions can be hindrance of overall development. Thank you so much.